interject into my life because my kids are here. This is not the right time for me to be recording because it's post dinner time, so it's not the right time. Yes, you can help me hold it. I just got my Kindle. Yes, baby. I just got my Kindle in the mail, okay? Yeah, you can open it. You can hold it. I got my Kindle in the mail and I'm just so excited. I had to show you. So, cue the opening my Kindle montage. Let's set her up.
You try this one. Amazing friend. Finish it. No.
Which one? Here you go. Got there. And then they got a box.
Yum.
So good.
Lexi. It says Lexi. Do you want them?
No. Look at Nona.
Go ahead.
Wait.
Yeah.
Little front master. The master of the art.
Fun.
Some pretty hydrangeas, and these are from last year.
It's really a